Welcome to Beyond the Press channel. Science and engineers never rest, and because of that we can represent you Power Feeder 5 million. This is like help for everybody that kids are too slow to eat. With this and grinder you can feed your kids in a matter of seconds. And I think this could change after a couple of like work rate related tools on the grinders to have something household things, because you can use grinder wherever. And this is not only invention that we have made. I have also this for the long-haired people, spinning power tools and long hair. You know that those mix really well. So today we're going to find out how well. Yeah, but I think we are going to start with the power feeder and kid that doesn't eat fast enough. And into the points, we always give points. First, the danger. And I'm going to rate danger to me. I'm not going to be worried about our stunt doll here. I'm going to say that I'm not even sure can you kill yourself with this tool, even if you are a bit reckless. Probably are going to miss like bit of chunks here, but these are like not sharp at all and pretty light. I'm going to say only 2 points for the danger. And then usability. I think this is going to work. I'm going to give it 4. And then comedy points, especially when it's spinning and feeding, I'm going to give for that 5 out of 5. And as always, this is just for demonstration. Never operate anything that you have homemade for your grinder. These are really dangerous. So this is like this. I cannot plug this in. But instead of this, we are going to mount one on the press. And then we can operate it remotely without putting anybody in harm's way, except our stunt doll here. I don't know anything about feeding babies. So Hanna is going to be expert on that. And since that's quite a lot of food and quite small baby, how long it would take in normal conditions to eat that?
Oh, maybe 3 hours.
Okay, okay, we are going to try to lower that time a little bit. Okay, here we go. Feed it all. Okay. Slightly, not very much. I think it's going too fast if that's possible. Let's have a look on the high speed. The baby looks extra stylish because the hair is moving on the wind. It goes bit over the baby. Yeah, it goes up. Yeah, let's put the food lower on the table and then try again. And how about the like ratio of food that's gone into mouth and everywhere else? Is that normal?
It's quite normal.
Quite
I think,
normal.
Yeah, when it comes to porridge.
Yeah, so let's try to improve that also. Okay, here we go, second round. I think that was good.
Yeah.
Now it worked. It ate like 1/3 of the meal in like couple seconds.
And it's closer to its mouth.
Yeah. I have seen some babies when they eat, and I think this looks pretty normal.
Yeah, that's look quite normal, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, and then the second disc. Hanna, you can name this. What is this?
Tangle Plaster, 5 million.
Yeah, that's pretty good name. I think this is going to blast a bit more than just your hair, because mixing power tools, spinning tools and long hair, that's the best combination of the workshop, or worst, how you think it, really dangerous. But if you think how dangerous this is to hold like this and switch on, I'm going to say pretty goddamn dangerous, because here are the long steel things that are going to mangle you up really nicely. So I'm going to give this 3 out of 5 in danger points. Usability points, probably 0. I think this is not going to blast any tangles away. And comedy points, I say 5 out of 5. And for the baby feeder, points after the feeding, I have to say only 3, because the food went everywhere. I was hoping more like directed blast towards the mouth, but didn't happen. Yeah, so let's mount this to the press and have a look. Okay, this time we have quite large tool, but baby is laying back there, going to enjoy the care that we are going to give it. It actually works! I thought that it's going to get stuck and throw the doll, but didn't happen. We have also another doll, it might have different hair, so let's try with that. That was pretty dramatic. I wanna see it stuck. I'm going to put the doll there against the tool and then switch it on. That's the way. Okay, I'm pretty sure that something is going to happen now. That was a good start, but I think it can spin even more. Good. I want one more. Okay, this is the last and the best one. Okay, it doesn't want to stay there. Yeah, but I think the Tangle Blaster 5 million deserves, I'm going to say 3 points. It might solve some hair problems, but you might also get a spin out from that. So I wouldn't recommend trying, but looks funny as hell. Yeah, and keep up the video ideas. We have really fun doing these videos, and I have so great content coming with this series, so subscribe to the channel. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.